everything.
Shh, quietly now. Let's check it out. Wow, amazing.
Wow, a real dig site.
Indeed. And look, a fossil fragment.
Cool, what is it?
Patience. Rehan, look, old fossils.
Wow, Uncle.
Oh.
They're just rocks. Still cool.
Rehan, look, something's glowing down there.
What is so mysterious?
Earthquake! Run! It's collapsing! It's raining! Watch out! Drop the tools! Go!
Where am I? It's so dark and cold. I don't like this. Whoa, what's down there? It's getting brighter. Whoa! It's beautiful!
Whoa! What's happening? Dinosaurs! Wow! This is incredible! Keep going!
Wow, this jungle is amazing! Look at these giant trees and plants! I can't wait to see more! What a wonderful smell! Ah, the jungle sense! I love it! Wow, this jungle is amazing! What's that rumbling? I better hide! Magarajita!
It hurts so much.
Oh no, what happened?
My leg. I tripped.
Don't worry, I'll help you. Hey, are you okay? Your leg looks hurt.
Grr. I can help. Let me see.
Your healing isn't done. Your leg is still bandaged,
I don't care. I feel fine.
but it's not safe yet. What happened to you?
An asteroid crashed. The crystal saved me.
Sigh. I'm so lonely here.
You're lonely? I thought you were scary.
No dinos left.
I promise I'll always be here for you.
I know you will. Thank you.
So, with time travel, you go back to the past.
Really? How?
Like this, you spin time around you.
Whoa.
Whoa, a thought bubble. Look inside. Wow, doctors and machines to heal me.
Whoa!
Raptors, run! Help! They're going to get me!
Raw, stay back! You won't hurt him!
Bagia! Wow, you're not scary.
Want to be friends? Friends? Yes, let's go home! Yay, homeward bound! Adventure time!
Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, please do. Hey, buddy, what's new?
A new adventure! King Kong vs. Dinosaur!